How to create Gmail account without phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can create Gmail account without phone number. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, open up Google in your device. After that, head over to top right and tap on the profile icon. Next to profile, tap on the drop down and here scroll down a bit and tap on add another account. Verify by providing your device PIN. Here, tap on create account. Then select for my personal use. Now you have to enter your first name. If you want to add your last name, you can do that or you can skip as well. Tap on next. Now select your date of birth and your gender. Once done, tap on next. Then you have to create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. So select your Gmail address that you want. Once you're done, tap on next. Now you have to create a password. Create a password for your account. After that, you can review your account information. You can use this email address to sign in later on. Then tap on next. Scroll down and then tap on I agree. And that's it. Now you have created your Gmail account without phone number. If you tap on the profile icon at the top right, then tap on the drop down. So here is the account that you have created recently. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.